facts relating to an investigation, that she lied when she denied that she was told by witnesses that they were assaulted by Larry Nassar, and the officer was conducting a criminal investigation for criminal sexual conduct in the first degree. That's a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and or a $5,000 fine. In count 2, it's alleged that after being informed by Special Agent David Dwyer that the officer was conducting a criminal investigation, did knowingly or willfully make a statement or statements to the officer that he or she knew were false or misleading regarding the following material fact or facts relating to an investigation: that you lied when she denied that you were told by witnesses that they were sexually assaulted by Larry Nassar, and the officer was conducting a criminal investigation for misconduct in office. That's a high court misdemeanor, and it's punishable by up to 2 years and or a $5,000 fine. To understand those charges and their possible penalties, Ms. Klages?
Yes.
In this matter, you do have a right to a preliminary examination, and yours has been scheduled currently for you for a probable cause conference on Friday, September 7 at 1:30 in the afternoon. The preliminary examination will be Friday, September 14 at 9:30 in the morning. Do you have your notice?
Your Honor, we don't have it in front of us, but I anticipate when we come back up that I will get that in writing.
We'll be getting copies for you as well, and I'm going to be discussing scheduling with both counsel today. I'm going to put you on notice that the September 14th date, I have previous cases scheduled for that day that is a multiple defendant, multiple count case. So we'll just be discussing scheduling after we finish the arraignment. I just want to put everyone on notice of that, all right?
Thank you.
You also have a right to a lawyer, and you've retained the Chartier Nayam firm. Is that true, Ms. Klages?
Yes.
All right. You also have a right to remain silent, and you have a right to have a lawyer present if you're questioned. Anything you say or write can be used against you. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
And ma'am, are you currently employed?
I'm retired.
Are you currently on probation or parole with any jurisdiction?
No.
Not on bond for anything at this time?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Current home address?
125 Royce, R-O-Y-C-E Street, Mason, Michigan, 48854.
And Mr. Nayam, if you can get us a phone number where she can be reached, we don't need to have that on the scene today.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Yes.
I'm understanding that people want to be heard on bond. Ms. Moody.
Thank you, Judge. People request the bond be set with some monetary component today, and that Ms. Klages not be allowed to walk out of this courthouse without paying something. This is a significant crime, and more than the crime itself, what is significant about this is what she lied about. She lied to our officers about the very heart of the Attorney General's.
Talk about the rationale of bond in order to make sure that someone appears,
Right.
public safety, ongoing issues. Those are the things that the court wants to hear with regard to bond.
Yeah, all of those are with respect to, all of those are at issue here. We ask for the money, the monetary component, to ensure that she appears. She has money to go where she wants to go. She was, in fact, didn't return to the state until last evening. We ask that she pay something so that we can assure that she appears the next time she is to appear. Also, we ask that she have no contact with the witnesses, that she have no contact with gymnasts, past or present, any of them. We ask that she has no contact with any MSU, current MSU employees. We have an ongoing investigation into MSU and the fallout and all of the things associated with Nassar and the gymnastics program there. We ask that she not travel out of state without permission from this court, and that she turn in her passport.
Mr. Nayam, who's on bond?
Thank you, Your Honor. As the court is undoubtedly aware, Ms. Klages has no criminal history whatsoever. And of course, because she's not charged with CSC, kidnapping, treason, or any of those offenses which the court could hold her without bond for, we ask that she be granted actual personal recognizance bond. As the Assistant Attorney General just noted, she was out of state and actually cut her trip short at great expense to herself by returning last night. And she is here, although I can't, because I'm in a different room, I can't say exactly where her family is seated, but she does have many ties to the community. And in terms of not speaking to the complainants in this case, she has absolutely no qualms with that. But to request that she not speak with any gymnast, she coached gymnastics for many, many years. And I know that she has the great support of many people who are not involved in this case. And I think that's entirely too broad a request. So as it relates to the complainants, we have no qualms with that. But Your Honor, I would ask that because she turned herself in with advance notice to the AG, and she's here today, certainly no qualms surrendering her passport, Your Honor. We request that she be granted a PR bond, or if not, a 10% or low bond.
Right, as the court noted, that the issues with regard to bond or whether someone's going to reappear in court, the likelihood that they're going to reappear in court, and other factors, but also protection of the public or safety to the public. And so the court is going to assess the following conditions of bond: that you not travel outside the state of Michigan. You do need to report to our pretrial services division, and we'll be handing you a brochure on how you need to do that. I will order that you have no communication with witnesses that are in this case, and no commentary with those at MSU who are related to this case. I think it'd be too broad to say nobody who ever went to Michigan State or anybody connected with this, or anybody connected with MSU, because that's just too broad a community in this area. We indicate there's no issue about surrendering a passport, so we'll have her do that as well. The bond is going to be $5,000, 10%. Anything else for defense?
Nothing additional, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anything else, Ms. Moody?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you both. If counsel are available, the court would like to see them in chambers. Just with regards to scheduling matters, I'm not clear on what, if there's other discovery matters that need to be taken care of or otherwise, but we can do that and let folks know the new dates and times if necessary. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, that's